Hello and welcome back to Enobat Smart Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Fire Net VPN to protect your internet connection and browse safely online. And if you often use public Wi-Fi or want to keep your data private, this guide is for you. Fire Net VPN is an app that helps secure your internet connection, and it creates a private and encrypted link between your device and the internet, making it harder for hackers or third parties to see your activity. And this helps you browse safely and protect your personal information. Step 1. First, open your Google Play Store or App Store. And after opening your Google Play Store, search for Fire Net VPN. And after searching for it, you'll be required to install the app in your phone. And after installing it in your phone, you'll be required to open the app. Once you open the app, you will see a simple home screen. And after seeing the simple home screen, you'll be required to tap on the connect button or the start button. Once you click on the connect button, you'll be requested for a permission, and if a permission message appears, tap allow so the app can create a VPN connection. You can also select a server location for faster speed. And for more privacy, you can select a server from another country, and after choosing, connect again if needed. Once connected, you should see a connected status on the app. To confirm, open your browser and check if your IP address has changed. And if it has changed, your VPN is working properly. Using Fire Net VPN is a simple way to stay safe online. With just a few steps, you can protect your data and browse with confidence. And this is Enobat Smart Tech, helping you stay smart, safe, and connected in the digital world.